How to add music in CapCut. In this video, guys, I'll be explaining to you how you can add music in your CapCut. So go ahead and load the video. When you load your video you want to be adding music to, just go ahead and click on where it is add audio. If you can't see that, you can go ahead and click audio showing just below your screen. So click on that. When you click on audio, you can see where it says sound. So click on sound. So these are preloaded sounds for you that you can use from TikTok. From TikTok. So you can go ahead and search. You can go ahead and search my mood sad. So you can search sad, and then it's going to look for sad music for you to use. So if you want to add, if you have the audio on your phone and you really want to add it to CapCut, here is how you can do it. Just go to where it says file. So you can extract audio from a video. So if you have a video and you want to extract the audio from there, you can go ahead and click extract sound for video. Click on the video you want to extract the sound from, and then it should be done. So if I should click on this, the audio on the video will be extracted for me to use for my video. So if you want to select the video from your phone, so you can go ahead and do this. So you just click from file, click on import. When you click on import, just click on the video you want, on the audio. When you click on that, click on open. So if you're using Android or iOS or an iPhone, you shouldn't have problem on doing this. So our music is added. So I'll be showing you another trick just in case you're using iPhone and you can't really import from here. I guess your CapCut app should be outdated, but if you update your CapCut app, you should be able to do this. So you can import from your library. So you can add it for iPhone users. You can go ahead and add it from your library. So you add it to your Apple Music and then you get it here. So that's one way of doing it. So if you try this method and it's not working, so if you can't do that, you can go ahead. Here's another way of doing it. Go to your downloaded music. So for example, I just downloaded this music. So click your downloads. If you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and do this. If you're using Android, this also work for you. So click on the music. For example, I want to use this music. So click on the share icon. When you click on the share icon, look for more. Look for where it says CapCut. So you are sharing it to CapCut. Just click on that, and it will ask you import audio to CapCut. Go ahead and click on import audio to CapCut. When you do that, your music should be automatically loaded to your video. So that's one way of doing it too. So that's another way of doing it. So in this video I tried to explain to you. So you can also add up effects, but this video is for music, so we'll leave that out of this video. As you can see, guys, this is how you can add music to your videos. These are various ways to add music to your videos on CapCut. If this video is really helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to support this channel. See you on the next one.